A truck containing Harry Styles merchandise has been held up by armed gangsters in Brazil ahead of a concert due to take place on Saturday. The hijacking occurred as the van was driving south on the B116 road from São Paulo to Curitiba on Friday. The three gunmen then subdued the driver before stealing the van full of merchandise. According to police, the driver and the other people involved were left unharmed. However, so far, the three gangsters have not been tracked down. It was originally thought that the van was carrying instruments used by Mr. Styles' band on his Love on Tour shows. However, police later confirmed that it contained merchandise, including t-shirts and souvenirs, and was owned by Live Nation. The road the van was driving on is notoriously dangerous and has been dubbed the highway to hell. It comes after Mr. Styles had a lucky escape during a concert in Rio de Janeiro on Thursday. The singer was singing to a sold-out crowd when an overexcited fan stormed the stage. Mr. Styles managed to avoid any contact with the fan and kept singing while security tackled the intruder to the ground. Security guards appeared to be on high alert as they reached the fan before they made any contact with the singer. Making light of the situation, later on, the British singer spoke to the audience directly. He said, "Well, that was different. Everybody okay?" He then later quipped, "I'm shooketh. I'm shooketh." The former One Direction star is completing the final leg of his tour before heading home for Christmas.